don't know where to begin. Could be the curves on your body, but then could be your hair, maybe your skin. Yeah.
How you feeling? Sensational. Yeah. What didn't I do for you, girl? And I know, and I know, and I know I still feel for you. Love like a riddle, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ree. Hi. On this channel we talk about a lot of things, mainly travel, life, and beauty. So if you're interested in those things, make sure you hit that subscribe. But this is our batch weekend vlog. We're celebrating, honoring, treasuring all of that good stuff. Saying all of the good verbs. That's what we're doing right now. And this is for Rikendra. This is my girl. Okay, so I figured I'll be her videographer for the weekend. Everybody's giving consent, of course, and we're gonna do a full-on meet the girls for this batch weekend. We're all in our black PJs. Everyone's looking good. Pajama party's about to take off. I'm excited. Clearly, I need to calm down. But yeah, let's meet the girls. Y'all already know me. I'm Ree. Let's see who else we have.
Hi, I'm Shay. I'm the maid of honor.
Clear it up. Clear it up.
Hi, everybody. My name is Shannon. I'm Rikendra's bestie.
Come on, position. That's it. And then here we have.
Hi, y'all. I'm Danny. I'm Kendra's favorite cousin and bridesmaid.
Not babe. Everybody have a role. And last but never least, we have our very own Pineapple Low, our bartender. Yes, I love it. Y'all, let's give it. Drink of the night is the Jack Frost cocktail. I'm Rena. I'm the girl behind the camera, a bridesmaid since we're doing intros. And here I am. That's what you have. That's what you have. That's what you have. That's all. That's all. Okay, and we have.
Hi, y'all. I'm Amber. I'm a bridesmaid.
Yay! I love it. Look at she in the corner trying to hide. We see you, babes. The camera sees all. Are you well? Shauna, you color these penises? Oh, that's impressive, girl. They good. Come in. Come in. Come in.
Hours of waiting.
Love it.
Me. Y'all told me 7:30 and
we finally get this.
What time y'all messaged me to actually come back?
I can scream.
Well, 7:30. 8. You messaged me like literally 8:20. You're good. You're good. So
that's okay. You here now.
You could be late this weekend.
I'm
going to start off with presenting all of you girls with our gift boxes for the weekend. Oh wow! So let's start off with our bride. Oh wow! She's gonna cry.
Loving you. I feel like we need background music. It's easy cause you're beautiful. Oh, and everything in my life is filled with loving you. Come on, choir. Danny, stop playing now. You hear us out there singing, and then you just said, Danny, we can sing. Oh, me. Oh my God, y'all, it's my turn. Thank you.
I'm looking at this present all day.
So cute.
So perfect. It's a vibe. Come forth.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. want to get married. When is it? It's giving bride. It's giving bride. It's giving veil.
Okay.
Just call Trey. Be ready. Thanks. Aww. Okay, Tiffany. Don't be a wife then.
Oh my god.
Some of things then.
Damn.
Okay. Come on, in case anything happens. You're ready.
Yeah, look out. Oh, look out.
Are you trying for the bracelet?
This is cute.
See the vibe and going on.
Pineapple.
Oh, I feel like
Can I have the
mask for sleeping. Right here. Ready. This is nice. Oh, this is lovely. Oh, this is stunning.
Yeah.
It's for me.
I love
It's starting to get emotional, but I realize it's mine.
They not like us.
Y'all, this is amazing. Thank you so much. What a ride.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Y'all know I was giving it all my life. They came from my distant self.
Wow.
This to Lauren.
Yay!
I did every single one of those.
I'm screaming. She's like, that sound like me.
All along, this was in my gossiping days.
What?
This person is very mischievous
Wow.
and slick and sly at times as well. this is going to
Nigga better not speak on Serena. And your homeboy needs subpoena. That predator moving flocks. That name gotta be registered in case no neighborhood watch. I lean on you niggas like another line of rock. Yeah, it's all eyes on me and I'ma send it up the pot. Ay, put the roll label on me, I'ma get them dropped. Ay, preaching music and I won't pass the ox.
You better get their ass pineapple low. That's it. Take that shit. That's it. Party time. Be raking, not me scraping.
Gotta be registered in case no neighborhood watch. I lean on you niggas like another line of rock. Yeah, it's all eyes on me and I'ma send it up the pot. Ay, put the roll label on me, I'ma get them dropped. Ay, sweet chin music and I won't pass the ox. Ay, how many stocks do I really have in stock? Ay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus.
Cheating.
Ay, that was a lie. Yeah, 69. Ay, freaky ass nigga, please just stay ass inside. Ay, throw your ass up like a foot cracker.
All right, Donnie. Got it, babes. I can scream. Pin that dick, Donnie. Pin it. You got it. Right? Okay. Just pin it, Lord. Just do it. That's it. Okay, hold on, let me break it. Wait. I get it. See the wall. There's the wall. I can scream.
Go outside. Big time forward. The star boy guess. Jealous people around me, I need to change my life.
2 words. First word. Undress. Undressing. Come on, Shay, you got this. Dress. Obviously.
Lord help
Take
us.
off. Remove.
Shit.
Laundry.
Remove.
Like she's doing a good job though.
Yeah.
She doing her thing.
This gift giving session is a game. Goal is to guess what it is. Yeah, guess who got you the gift. Gosh.
The first one.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
This is lingerie.
Yeah. Woo. Oh, it falling out.
Oh my gosh!
Okay.
Woo!
Oh, God. Oh, wow. Okay, Lace. Okay, Lace.
Wow.
Come on, see through me.
Wow. Oh. Nice.
Period.
Oh.
That's a G-string for me.
Stop. Oh, I love it.
Since she get it right, she has to.
Yeah, Shay, if she got, yeah.
Oh my god.
Take that sip, girl. It's okay. You got it.
Oh, nice.
Woo!
Oh my gosh. Nice. Okay, sexy. That's very pretty. Rita.
Oh, damn.
No.
Twang.
If you ain't got nothing else in that, you got a
That's
shot.
the 3 I got wrong.
Yeah, you can
don't know
be
your
gone.
Know your boy.
Get it right.
Yeah.
Come on, get it together.
Know your voice.
Next.
Alright, cheers. Come on now. Come on, I'm the prize.
Role play.
Oh, wow. What is that?
I
present to you a touch of Parisian. You haven't got it properly. Yeah, wait up. I present to you a touch of European elegance worn by none other than Amber. Wow, nice. She's wearing a top. She's wearing designer. She's wearing toilet paper. And she's wearing it well. It just flows. It just flows. This is how you go to meet your groom. I'm naked. This is how you go to meet your wife. This is how you go
Details.
to meet your love. Amber's wearing suede. She's wearing pearl. Lauren, step out, girl.
Close the door, Amber.
Lauren is wearing a two-piece modern day wedding dress with a cowl neck, with featured pearls, and a Hungarian style bottom. Wow. For them, Lauren, as you can see, Lauren has a little bit of a and that is the little sexiness that we want. A little bit of sexiness, a little bit of classiness. She does not have on the traditional veil. She has on a modern style veil that just covers her bun, and it does not take away from her nice, seamless back. Turn around, Lauren. Yes, Lauren.
Avery, I can see you. I can see you. I'm Amber and hi. Yeah. Yes. She's rocking her body. She's rocking her body. A very simple, elegant, modern. 3 amazing brides. Yes. Next brides. Amber. Oh, my Gucci part fell off.
Amber!
Not sure with the leg.
Amber!
My trail for me. What's up, our brides? It's very disconnected.
There's Amber's face.
It's giving. It's giving scary before.
Come on now, stand up, Amber.
Amber,
Stand up with
next to Lauren, please.
Yes. Yes. Amber, we are close. it's finished.
I'm still tired.
Don't try it.
You'll see she ain't got no fun.
Oh, she says.
Okay, y'all need time to deliberate.
Oh wow. Don't miss this cowl neck, y'all. Don't miss this cowl neck.
Shay only has the top
Wow.
she's still in. You can see the elegance, the difference in the design as well.
Shay.
What you all consider the first step out of the door.
Come on, Daddy.
Now your bride sitting on
Yo,
the
we've been dealing with Daddy and Shay for the longest.
Wow.
Durability.
Wow.
Song. Style / hype. One.
That's crazy.
The winners are Rena and Amber. With 35 points.
I know we can do.
You act like you need a mind, trying to do it over, bring it back and rewind it. But all that glitters isn't gold, I was blind. Should've never give you my mind.
Okay, y'all, we're heading to obviously brunch. A little girls' brunch. We got shades of nude. Everybody's looking really good. The girls are nuded out. The girls are nuded. Obviously, the bride is briding. Right here we have a chocolate crew. We have a chocolate crew. Everybody just looks so. Ugh.
And I can't believe the lies that I went for. Thought you was mine, but you decided to be with him. You took my feelings and just threw them out the window. Feel like it's too hard to fall in love again.
They had that ready. As you should.
Thank you all, my lovely ladies, my best friends, my sisters, my family, all planning this amazing weekend for me. Next weekend is going to be so amazing. Can't wait to be married. Cheers to love.
We love love. We love love.
Ooh, that was nice.
Okay, that's what we doing.
That was nice.
You want me, then go switch it up. Just gon' play with my emotions just because. All the times I played the fool for you, thinking we could put it back together.
Bride on a fun fashion weekend.
Ready for the now?
We belong together.
I'm a scream. Y'all hear them? Y'all hear them? Nobody heard them but me.
You was mine, but you decided to be with him, no. Took my feelings and just threw them out the window. Feel like it's too hard to fall in love again, no. On some nights like this, shawty, I can't help but think of us. I've been reminiscing, sipping, mixing up. Can you tell me what's with all this distant love? If I call, would you pick it up? On some nights like this, I just wanna text you, but for what? You gon' say you want me, then go switch it up.
Y'all see you smiling? Trey is smiling. Do it. Bay grab machines. Bop, bop. Bop, bop. You want to shot queen? You want to play some shots? Cheers. Tell me why, oh, why, oh. Meanwhile, me and Rena. Oh, but the behind the scenes were wild. Oh, the creators are great. The videographers, the photographers were wild. It's everybody else. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Y'all, I can't even talk. It's my voice, Jesus. I'm drinking coffee. Okay, that's better. I'm drinking coffee, trying to get it together. Welcome to day 3. The final day of this Bachelorette. Really now Bachelor weekend. We have a joint boat day. We're going, I think, Rose Island from Nassau. Y'all know the drill. So it should be fun. We have our libations in the back. I don't know if y'all can see that. I don't know why it's upside down, but we have our libations in the back. Got our sunscreen in our bag, and we about to have a good time. All the girls, you know, we've been color coordinated, so all the girlies are in their black swimmies. We about to wear our Tiffany shades. We about to look really, really cute. It's gonna be giving, so I'm very excited. But boy, last night, bust down. Oh. Give me strength, Lord, give me strength. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying. Shout out to the bride and the groom, Kendra and Trey. Y'all deserve. We lit, we in there, and that's it. I love it. We got the bride, we got the girl. You look. I love it. We here, we post up. Look at Shannon, ready. We finally going. Baby mama, this sugar. Okay, performance. I know, right? Yes. Okay, what you want, bride? Okay. How, bride? That's it. Okay. You're married. Okay.
If you're trying to participate down at the beach. Every time you take one step, something
Just to make that you are. You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know. I think I have a clue.
Hey guys, so I took a few days off. It's Thursday. I had to catch myself a little bit, and then getting back into the work week, it's wild. But y'all, that batch weekend was crazy. It was so much fun. And I just feel like it was just a great group of people, and to be honoring just such wonderful human beings like Kendra and Trey, and to party and to turn up and to just shut it down, basically. I think it was a great weekend, and this is gonna be a core memory for 2024. So I was glad I was able to capture it, just so we can have it all as a little time capsule. But I'm also glad to share it with you guys. Go leave a comment down below if you had fun, if you had a giggle, if you had a vibe. I'd love to know. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I appreciate you. I value you. Oh yeah, you bad. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Say she get it from her mama. I'ma say you fuck her right. Body moves unpolite. Don't be in a humble type. Tell me, is you now? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. Hoes and hoochies left to right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside.
That's it.
Say where the love is like. I put that on my mama, on my
Okay, someone's getting married.
fly. I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly. I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag.